Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make how to use a multi-tool. So my multi-tool has a pair of scissors. I don't care how, see, my multi-tool has a pair of scissors and you don't have to use, and if yours doesn't have any multi-tool and if yours doesn't have any scissors, it's fine. Really, it's just fine. I just got this multi-tool, which is why I'm trying to make this video. I just got this multi-tool for Easter. So happy Easter! I got this morning in my basket though. So usually every single multi-tool has you know, one of those little knives, but I'm going to teach you how to use them all. So when you pull your knife out, this is how you're going to put it in. Do you see this? Do you see this? So do you see this little divot here? Go in, go. Like this. This is how we're gonna put it in. You wanna touch that. That's how you, and hold it like in the bottom of your multi-tool and just snap it in. Facing that little divot, snap it in. With these two fingers holding it away from it so you don't get cut. This is a very important part so you don't get cut. Just like I did this morning. I got this really good Band-Aid. You just want to pull it and just snap it in like that. And then most multi-tools don't have a screwdriver, right? But mine does because it's new. This is how you're gonna do it. You want to press the way that it doesn't go and turn it and twist it. This video just in case you don't know how to use a multi-tool. And the scissors, most people don't have scissors. Most people don't have these kinds of scissors on their multi-tool, but mine does. So you don't have to do anything, just use it as like a regular scissor. Like this, just cut it like a regular scissor. And same thing, find the divot, and that's how you're gonna push it in, like that. And then, most of them don't have tweezers, but use them the same for tweezers. Use the same for tweezers. Exactly the same for tweezers. Like as you're pulling it out. Oh, a lot of knives don't have a toothpick. This one, use it as a regular toothpick. Again. That's how you're gonna use those multi-tools. Bye.